Hello again, year three. I'm not sure exactly what happened there. I think I lost the internet. So basically it stopped recording and shut me out. So we were halfway through our sum. So I'm just going to carry on from where we left. I thought as the video stopped and I have to start again, I thought I'd do a little spot the difference. So I don't know if anyone can notice anything different about me or the picture, and maybe you can send in a message to let me know what it was, or I can reveal it at the end. So I just thought I'd have a little bit of fun, spot the difference, what's different about me this time to when I left you last. So let's get back to our sum. So we'd regrouped our ones and we were adding our tens. So I've got 6 tens and I'm adding another 6 tens, so 60. So let's add those 6 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, so 6 tens, add 6 tens, add 1 10 is going to give me 13 tens in total. So I need to regroup my 13 tens into 100 and 3 tens. So 130. And I'm now going to add my hundreds. So I've got 200 that I need to add, 1, 2. So in total, 200 add 100 equals 300. So my answer is 335. Okay, let's have a go at this one. So again, I'm going to start with my larger number this time. So 393, because I think that makes it a little bit easier. So 393, and I'm going to add 80. So 80 doesn't have any hundreds. 80 has 8 tens and 0 ones. So let's add the ones first. 3 ones add 0. Hopefully we all know that that's 3. And then we're going to add our tens. 9 tens add 8 tens. So let's add 8 tens together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. That's a lot of tens, isn't it? It's definitely more than 10 in that column. So we're going to have to regroup our tens. So let's have a look at how many we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 9 add 8 tens equals 17 tens, 170. So I'm going to regroup my 17 tens into 100 and 7 tens. And I'm going to show that on my column addition. So 100 and 7 tens. And then I'm going to add my hundreds. So 300, add the 100 where we regroup the tens. In total, I have 400s. So my answer is 473. Now, Colin has had a go at working out 353 add 72, and he wants to know whether he has got the correct answer. So I'd like you to just pause the video and have a go at that sum and see if you get the same answer as Colin. And if you don't, can you work out where Colin has gone wrong? So hopefully you've had a go at that sum and we're going to go through the answer together. I'm hoping you've realised that Colin is wrong and we'll find out why now. So let's add our ones first. 3 ones add 2 ones. So that does equal 5 ones. So Colin's got off to a really good start. Well done, Colin. 5 ones. Now we're going to add our tens. 5 tens and I'm going to add 7 tens. So 70. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So how many tens have I got altogether? So 5 tens add 7 tens is going to give me 12 tens. So I need to regroup my 12 tens into 100 and 2 tens. So is that what Colin has done? Let's have a little look. Has he done that? So I've regrouped my 12 tens into 100 and 2 tens. Colin, you've made a mistake there. You've regrouped your 12 tens, but you've put 200 and 110. So he's put his digits in the wrong place. We haven't regrouped it into 200s. we've regrouped it into 100, and we haven't got one 10, we've got two 10s. So that should be a 2. And let's just check our hundreds. So we've got 300, we're adding 100, so that should be 400. So hopefully you came up with the same correct answer of 425. Okay, your turn to have a go at the do it questions in your book. So I have, as I did last lesson, put some helpful tips at the side to help you. So some generalized statements and some STEM sentences that you might want to say as you're working out the column addition calculations, okay? If you pause the video and then we'll go through the answers at the end, so good luck. Hopefully you've had a go at those 4 addition sums. And instead of writing it on a whiteboard today, I have put the answer on here so you can mark it yourself, but I will quickly go through each one. So your first question was 334 add 75. So hopefully you've noticed what I have missed out, what I haven't done. And I'm hoping you've done it in your books. What have I missed out? I haven't put my 100 10s and 1s. So hopefully you have put that into your books. So I'm going to start with my 1s. So 4 add 5 equals 9. Then I'm going to add my 10s. 3 10s add 7 10s equals 10 10s. So I need to regroup my 10 10s into 100 and 0 10s. I then add my hundreds. 300 add 100 equals 400. So the answer to the first sum was 409. Okay, the next calculation, the next sum, 553 add 73. So I'm going to add my 1s, 3 1s add 3 1s equals 6 1s. 50 add 70, so we're adding our 10s now, equals 120, 12 10s. So I'm going to regroup my 12 10s into 100 and 2 10s. Then I'm going to add my hundreds, 500 add 100 equals 600. So the answer is 626. Then we've got 72, add 696. So add our 1s first, 2 add 6 equals 8. Then add our 10s, 70 add 90, so 7 10s add 9 10s equals 16 10s. So we regroup our 16 10s into 100 and 6 10s. Then we're going to add our hundreds, 600 add 100 equals 700. And then finally, 70 add 493, 0 add 3 equals 3, so that's our 1s column. Then our 10s, 7 add 9 equals 16 10s, so I'm going to regroup my 16 10s into 100 and 6 10s. And then finally add our hundreds, 400 add 100 equals 500s. So the correct answer is 563. So hopefully you got most of those right. Again, if you want a little bit more practice, then have a go at the do it questions on your sheet on Class Dojo. If you're ready to move on, then you can have a go at your Go Deep and Go Deeper. So your Go Deep for today, Colin has made another error when he tried to work out the sum 656 add 82. So have a go at helping Colin by doing that calculation, that sum, working out what the correct answer should be, and then explaining to Colin where he went wrong. Give him some tips to help him. And then you'll go deeper, you have some missing digits. I love these, and I know a lot of you love them, and I know your parents love them too. So have a good go at trying to work out those missing digits and then send in your work for us to have a look at. If you've got any questions, send us a message. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Oh, I nearly didn't tell you. The difference was I'm covered in Colin stickers. I decided I've been doing so much maths recently, been working so hard, that I definitely deserve all these Colin stickers. And maybe when you come back to school, all of you can have one for all of your fantastic maths work as well. See you later. Bye.